What's good, people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the content, normal videos, shorts, all that good stuff. Let's just get straight into this one. The box needs no introduction. Plain, simple Nike sportswear box. The label, so it's Nike Zoom Vomero 5 colorway Pacific Moss black pair, size UK 10. Pause it if you want to read the rest, all that good stuff. So let's get straight into this Pacific Moss pair. I wore them once already because honestly I bought these like 6 weeks ago and I haven't made the video, and I really wanted to wear them. I couldn't stop myself, so it is what it is. We'll go through the details. To the bottom we've got that Pacific Moss and black, then we've got that moss, that green khaki type moss, suede with a light green. It's not so much a tennis ball green, but it's like an odd kind of shade. I wouldn't know how to describe that. We've got Nike on the back, it's like a sticker. We've got like a burgundy heel cup, and then we've got the swoosh in black and then moss. We all know where this comes from, this colorway. Have a look at that. And then the front we've got that moss and then that other green. I don't even know how to describe that green. The way this Vomero pair is different is this is not mesh. This is actually like a canvas material, which is good for slightly different weathers that are not summer. So autumn, I'm not sure about winter, but it would definitely be decent for winter, maybe with thick socks or something. For anyone who wants the Vomero comfort and doesn't like the new Vomeros that they've released, like the utility ones or whatever they call them. Again, inside is the same as the outside, as it always is. Tongue is that same canvas, and then we've got some loops, which is just black, and then the Nike Vomero 5 tab on the tongue, and then on the inside, of course, Bowerman series in there, just a little sticker. The black sock liner, and then the tongue on the inside is all black as well. Really nice colorway. In person they're way better, if I'm honest. I just got them so I can wear them, you know, with a tracksuit, simple ones. If I wanted to wear something a bit more comfortable in colder weather, because you know British weather is always amazing, especially in the winter, so these will be all right, or hopefully they are. Just give them a spray of waterproof spray all around there, even on the back and stuff, so they're nice and water repellent just in case it starts to rain. Don't really have too much more to say about this pair, to be honest. You know, comfortable as always. Nike, if anyone at Nike is ever watching this video, please make a full leather pair in black, in grey, in white. I'll buy all of them. I swear I'll buy all of them. Lovely shoe. Tell me what you think below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Wait a few moments, you'll see an on-foot video. It'll also be posted separate. And take care, my people.